Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can get financial assistance from $6,000 to $200,000 for trading without initial capital. First, go to the Funded Next site. I put the link in the description. I want to tell you that if you register with my link, you will get 5% discount on all plans. Before I introduce the plans to you, I ask you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell next to it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's go to introduce the first plan to you. Funded Next has 3 challenges, including Stellar, Evaluation, and Express. In this video, I will explain the Stellar challenge to you, and I will post the link to explain the other challenges above. In Stellar Challenge, you can choose 5 or 4 MetaTrader platform as you like. Also, this challenge has 2 types, 1-step and 2-step. First, I will explain the features of the 2-step challenge. Before explaining the features of the plans, I will say again that if you register with the link that I have placed in the description, you will get a 5% discount on all plans. The first feature that distinguishes Funded Next from other platforms is the profit share from challenge phase feature, which means that Funded Next is the only prop firm to offer a 15% profit sharing from the profit you make during the challenge phases. This is to incentivize our top traders and to deliver on our promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Feature 2. Phase 1 Profit Target. At Funded Next, you can get funded by reaching a small profit target in the challenge phase. For example, if you sign up for a 15K Stellar 1-step challenge, your profit target will be 10%. Similarly, if you sign up for a 15K Stellar 2-step challenge, your profit target for Phase 1 will be 8%. For different funding models, the percentage of profit target is different. After achieving the profit target, you will be able to start trading in your Funded Next account. Feature 3, Phase 2 Profit Target. In the 2-step challenges such as Funded Next Evaluation or 2-step Stellar Challenge, traders need to profit 5% on their Phase 2 challenge accounts. Your daily loss limit equals cumulative P&L of your open and close positions for the day. Feature 4, Maximum Daily Loss. Our daily loss limit specifies that you are permitted to lose 5% of your initial account balance on any given day. Feature 5, Maximum Overall Loss. You are allowed to have an overall maximum loss limit of 10% of your initial account balance on the Evaluation, Express and Stellar 2-step challenges. On the other hand, your overall maximum loss limit on the Stellar 1-step challenge is 6%. Thus, at any time during your whole challenge phase, your account balance equity can't go below 90% of initial balance for the Evaluation, Express and Stellar 2-step challenges and 94% for the Stellar 1-step challenge. Feature 6, Drawdown Type. At Funded Next, the max daily drawdown is calculated based on your balance. If you have trades running when a new trading day starts, the balance at that time will be considered for daily drawdown calculation, not the equity. This is to deliver on our promise of the world's most reliable prop firm. Feature 7, Time Limit. There are no time limits for the Stellar 2-step and 1-step challenges and the Express model. It means you can take as much time as you want to reach the profit target. However, in the Evaluation model, you will need to reach the profit target within a mentioned period. Feature 8, Minimum Trading Days. You are required to take a minimum of 5 individual and separate trades on 5 separate trading days during your Evaluation and Stellar Challenge. However, in the Express Challenge, you are required to take a minimum of 10 individual and separate trades on 10 separate trading days. Feature 9, Commissions. Funded Next offers the lowest commissions for traders with $3 per round lot on currency pairs and commodities and $0 per round lot on indices. Feature 10, Profit Split Up To. To recognize your skills and efforts, Funded Next is offering up to 90% profit sharing with the traders. Feature 11, Trading Leverage. Leverage for trading account 1 to 100. Feature 12, News Trading. At Funded Next, we are committed to providing flexible trading conditions tailored to your needs. That's why we allow news trading in Evaluation, Stellar 1-step and Stellar 2-step challenge. However, in the Express model, this option is not available. Feature 13, Weekend Holding. With Funded Next you can hold any trading during the weekend in Evaluation, Stellar Challenge and Express non-consistency model. Feature 14, Expert Advisors. Expert Advisor is allowed with all the funding models. Feature 15, Trade Copiers. Using Trade Copier software is allowed with all the Funded Next challenges. Feature 15, Reset Discount. If you violate any rule, your account will be suspended, but you will receive the opportunity to continue with the program at a discounted price. This re-registration cost is also known as the reset fee, since you will restart your trading cycle. This option is applicable when you are in Stellar 1-step demo phase, Stellar 2-step demo phase, Evaluation Phase 1, and Express demo phase. The reset fee is 90% of the original price for Evaluation and Stellar and 80% of the original price for the Express model. For example, you have a $15K Evaluation model account. The original price of the account is $99. If you breach your account during your Phase 1 trading cycle, you won't be eligible to trade in the account, but at Funded Next, traders can restart their trading journey by paying $89 as reset fee in this situation. Feature 16, Refundable Fee. You are eligible to get back your registration fee once you are a Funded Next trader. The difference between 1-step and 2-step challenge is that: Number 1. Profit target. It is 10%. Number 2. Maximum daily loss. It is 3%. Number 3. Maximum overall loss. It is 6%. Number 4. Time limit is no time limit. Number 5. Trading leverage. It is 130. Also, please note that if you have any questions, the support will answer you in less than a few minutes, and I will say again that if you register with the link I put in the description, you will get a 5% discount on all plans. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.